This is a 2008 Lexus ES350. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a power sunroof, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and many other features. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a HomeLink feature, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and cruise control. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, you won't be making frequent trips to the gas pumps. This Lexus has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Stone Mountain Toyota is located at 5065 US Highway 78 in Stone Mountain. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.